Hey creators, do you want to edit videos like this? Then welcome to Ink by Khan, where AI, automation, and digital income meet. Well, today I am sharing 5 free Android apps that will allow you to create high-quality edits without any editing skills. So let's dive right in. First up, we have CapCut. It's a go-to for short-form video creators. Why? Because it's packed with trendy templates, auto captions, and effects powered by AI. With CapCut, you can easily trim and rearrange clips, apply filters, and even generate captions automatically. The app offers a ton of templates for you to choose from. All you need to do is select one, and the editor will guide you through the process. And once you've made your selection, you can easily customize the template to match your video content. Some of the standout features include the ability to adjust the playback speed, mix in multiple audio tracks, and create fun effects by combining images, videos, and text. What's more, CapCut also offers a variety of stickers and emojis that you can use to enhance your videos. And if you want to take your edits to the next level, CapCut's AI tools can help you expand the canvas, remove backgrounds, and even generate realistic face masks. Now, in terms of exporting, CapCut allows you to save your videos in full resolution without a watermark. However, to unlock additional features such as custom aspect ratios and longer export limits, you'll need to upgrade to the premium version. But hey, the free plan should be enough to get you started. CapCut is available for Android and iOS. Try it out today and create some awesome videos. Next, let's talk about VN Video Editor. It's a feature-packed video editor that's totally free and does not require a watermark. One of the best things about this app is its user-friendly interface. You can easily import your clips, arrange them on the timeline, and start editing. The app also comes with a wide range of filters and effects that you can apply to your videos. Additionally, VN Video Editor allows you to add text, stickers, and emojis to your videos. This app is great for beginners because it has a drag-and-drop timeline, which makes it easy to arrange your clips. Plus, you can preview your edits as you go, which is super helpful. Another cool feature of VN Video Editor is that it supports 4K exports, so your videos will look sharp and clear. Overall, whether you're a vlogger, content creator, or just someone who wants to edit their own videos, VN Video Editor is definitely worth checking out. It's available on Android. Go ahead and download it and start creating. YouCut is a free video editor designed for those who want to quickly edit and share their clips on social media. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to use, even for beginners. You can easily trim and rearrange clips, add filters, and overlay text and graphics. One of the standout features of YouCut is its speed editing capabilities. You can apply multiple edits to a single clip by tapping the screen and selecting from a range of options. The app also allows you to change the playback speed of your clips and apply various transformations such as rotation and flipping. YouCut is an excellent choice for those who want to create quick edits on the go. It's available for both Android and iOS. Up next is InShot. This video editor offers a ton of features that make it a favorite among short-form video creators. First off, you can easily trim and arrange your clips on the timeline and apply various filters and effects to them. InShot also makes it easy to add text, stickers, and other graphic elements to your videos. One of the standout features of InShot is its ability to resize videos for different social media platforms. You can easily create vertical videos for TikTok and Instagram Reels, or square videos for Instagram and YouTube Shorts. And if you want to remove the watermark, it's easy. Just watch a quick ad, and you'll be able to do so. InShot also offers a range of advanced editing tools, including the ability to adjust the color and audio levels of your clips. Plus, you can even record your own voiceovers directly in the app. Finally, InShot allows you to export your videos in up to 4000 resolution. It's available for Android and iOS. Last but not least, we have FilmoraGo. This video editor offers a variety of creative themes and animated text options that can help you create professional-looking videos without any editing skills. With FilmoraGo, you can easily trim and arrange your clips on the timeline and apply various filters and effects to them. The app also makes it easy to add text, stickers, and other graphic elements to your videos. Now, one of the standout features of FilmoraGo is its range of animated text options. You can choose from a variety of pre-made templates or customize your own text animations to fit your needs. Another cool feature is the app's aspect ratio selection tool. You can easily choose the right aspect ratio for your video. Whether you're creating a vertical video for social media or a widescreen video for YouTube, FilmoraGo also offers a lot of flexibility when it comes to audio. You can easily add your own music or sound effects to your videos and adjust the audio levels to get the perfect balance. FilmoraGo is available for Android and iOS. And there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a free and easy-to-use video editor on Android, then you can't go wrong with any of the apps we've covered today. So why not give them a try and see which one works best for you? Which one are you going to use? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe for daily drops on AI tools, faceless YouTube, and smart income ideas. Only on Ink by Con. Wish you best of luck.